Ever wonder what it really takes to keep those Walmart checkout lines moving smoothly? Let's dive into a crash course on operating a Walmart cash register. First up, scanning. Simply grab the item, locate the barcode, and position it under the red scanner light. You'll hear a beep confirming the scan. The item will then appear on the screen. What if the barcode is damaged? No problem. You can manually enter the product code using the keypad. Look for the manual entry or similar button on the screen. Alright, the customer's ready to pay. The screen displays the subtotal now. Select the customer's payment method. Is it cash? Select cash. A card? Select credit, debit, EBT. Select EBT. For card payments, guide the customer to insert, swipe, or tap their card using the card reader. The register will prompt them for any necessary information like a PIN. If the customer pays with cash, enter the amount they give you. The register will automatically calculate the change to retrieve the correct amount of change and hand it to the customer, along with their receipt. Need to process return? Locate the returns function. You may need a manager or override depending on the item and the store's policy. Scan the item being returned, and follow the prompts to issue the refund. And that's the basics. From scanning items and handling different payment methods to processing returns, you're now one step closer to mastering the Walmart cash register. Don't forget to check with your store for specific policies and procedures. Good luck.